Exciting rare dance of the planets. Our solar system is a place of constant motion and wonder. Planets orbit the sun at different speeds, creating an intricate and mesmerizing cosmic dance. As we observe from Earth, sometimes these planets appear to align, creating a striking visual spectacle known as a planetary alignment. Planetary alignments are not perfectly straight lines, but rather moments when several planets cluster on one side of the sun from our perspective. These alignments are not everyday occurrences and are considered quite special. The different orbital periods of the planets make it relatively rare for several to appear close together in our night sky. In the coming weeks, two notable planetary alignments will grace our skies, offering a fascinating glimpse of our celestial neighborhood. Around January 21st and 22nd, 2025, keep your eyes peeled for a stunning alignment of 6 planets: Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Jupiter, Uranus, and Saturn. Shortly after sunset, gaze towards the southern horizon to witness this celestial gathering. Venus and Jupiter, our solar system's brightest planets, will be hard to miss. They will appear as brilliant beacons against the twilight sky. Keen-eyed observers may also spot Saturn, recognizable by its pale yellow hue, higher in the sky. However, you'll need binoculars or a telescope to spot the fainter planets in this alignment: Mercury, Neptune, and Uranus. As if the January alignment wasn't spectacular enough, February brings an even rarer event, an alignment of 7 planets, a sight not often seen. Around February 28th, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Uranus, and Neptune will cluster together in the evening sky, creating a stunning celestial display. Look for Saturn near the horizon shortly after sunset, as it will be the first to appear. Jupiter, Mars, and Venus will be easier to spot, forming a line stretching upwards from Saturn, making them quite prominent. Mercury, always a challenging observation due to its proximity to the sun, will be best seen with binoculars or a telescope, especially during twilight. This alignment is best viewed in the days leading up to February 28th in North America, where the skies are clearer. As with the January alignment, a pair of binoculars or a small telescope will greatly enhance your viewing experience, revealing the fainter planets in their full glory and detail. Gap 3S. As we conclude this celestial journey, remember that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The vast expanse of the night sky holds mysteries that have fascinated humankind for centuries. Each alignment, each comet, each twinkling star is a reminder of our place in the cosmos. Keep looking up, stay curious, and never stop exploring the night sky. The stars are always there to guide you. Happy stargazing! To make the most of these celestial events, follow these essential tips. 1. Find a dark location. Light pollution from cities can obscure fainter objects in the sky. Head to a location with minimal light pollution for the best and clearest views. 2. Check the weather. Clear skies are essential for stargazing. Check the weather forecast and choose a night with minimal cloud cover for optimal visibility. 3. Be patient. Allow your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. The longer you look, the more you'll see, as your eyes become more sensitive to faint light. 4. Use a stargazing app. Several apps are available that can help you identify planets and constellations in the night sky. These apps can be invaluable for navigating the vast cosmos. Remember, these planetary alignments are a treat for skywatchers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or simply curious about the universe, step outside on these special nights and marvel at the wonders of our solar system. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification button for more updates like this. Don't miss out on this astronomical spectacle. Like and share to spread the wonder of the universe. Enjoy!